Dito tayo sa Geely naman sa loob ng Vias 2026. Maya-maya mag-uana na to. Mag-unveil ng mga bagong ilalabas na lineup for 2026.
Wonderful charge. Fast charging can be done from 30 to 80% in about 20 minutes. You also get full reclining backrests, a seat massage system, 16-speaker audio, Apple CarPlay, heads-up display, and an excellent installation and quietness for your rides. On top of that, you're also given intelligent cockpit with an amazing acceleration time of 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 7 seconds. How cool is that? The Geely Okavango. Now this here is your 7-seater mid-sized crossover. It dons a green license plate. It's comfortable with 3-zone independent air conditioning. This car is also equipped with active safety features with a 360-degree panoramic imaging available for you. It's wonderfully distinct. It's ready and perfect for everyday family use and everyday travels. Fasten your seatbelts because it's full speed ahead with Geely's newest hybrid powerhouse. It's time to explore more imagination. Presenting the Geely EX5 EMI. More details about the car. This plug-in hybrid crossover features a 1.5-liter engine paired with a 160 kilowatt electric motor with an 18.4 kilowatt-hour battery. Now, this offers 105 kilometers of pure electric range with a combined range of 1,000 kilometers. Fast charging can be done from 30 to 80% in about 20 minutes. With the Geely EX5 EMI, you also have the benefit of record-breaking fuel efficiency at 41.6 kilometers per liter per 100 kilometers. You're also getting voice command with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and an acceleration time that goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 8 seconds. Born as a super hybrid, the Geely EX5 EMI will definitely get you to explore more imagination. The EX2 can also go for a range of up to 325 kilometers on a full charge with fast charging capabilities of 30 to 80% in 25 minutes. No wonder this has been recognized as the #1 best-selling car in the AB segments. Ladies and gentlemen, this car is definitely extra fun to you.
Ayun, pinakilala na sa public yung EX2 na bagong electric vehicle ni Geely. So, mainit na mainit pa. Maraming tao pa ang gustong i-explore. Pero in the meantime, ito pa rin ang ating Okavango. Siyempre, andito pa rin yung poging-pogi na EX5. Okay?